Good morning and buenos dias. I am Abu Sha'b and welcome back for another lesson in Puerto Rican Expressions. A very useful phrase in any language is there is and there are, or both as a statement and as a question. Are there any? Is there any? In English, this idea is a little bit more complicated than a lot of other languages because of the irregular verb to be in English. I am here, you are there, she is at school. In Spanish, this idea is expressed with one very simple word. That word is I, H-A-Y. The H in Spanish is not pronounced except in combinations with the C in standard American Spanish. I is literally translated to there is or there are, both as a statement and as a question. Is there cold water? Water? ¿Hay agua fría? Yes, there is cold water. Sí, hay agua fría. Yes, there is. Now, when it has the A on it, it's in the subjunctive form. This is another form of the verb in Romance languages. These ideas of a subjunctive verb are expressed in English by using words like might be or could be. But in Romance languages and in Spanish, we use subjunctive forms of the verb, a distinct form of the verb. When I say lo que haya, this means whatever there might be, whatever there is. So, yo quiero lo que haya. I want whatever there is. And this can also imply whatever there might be left. Now when we use this verb in the past tense in this way, this verb form, this I, it's había. H-A-V accented I-A, había. And this is past continuous, that which there was. Lo que había, that which was. Now some conjugations of this verb, and I use for an example sentence, what have I done? As in, what have I done? Expressed like that. In Spanish, we use this verb, que yo he hecho, and this is the form of the verb haber, and it only sounds a. Que yo he hecho, as well as que tú has hecho, has, que ha hecho him, her, or it. Que ha hecho ella, tu tía? Que ha hecho tu tía? What has your aunt done? And the third person plural, the they, is que han hecho ellos. Ellos is a pronoun for they. This is what have they done? Now another form of this verb in its subjunctive, and this is the subjunctive that corresponds with the to form. This is a very formal or polite way to say, I'm happy that you came. Me alegro que hayas venido. I'm happy that you came. This is alegrarse with the reflective pronoun to me. I am made happy, or I get happy. And because this verb is used in its infinitive form, this verb is subjunctive to this verb. So you have to use hayas. Que hayas venido. You can get away with not using it, but if you want to be polite, this is how you say, I'm happy that you came. Me alegro que hayas venido. Now I want to talk about lo que, because lo que in Spanish is a rhythm that's different than English. When we often use lo que, as we expressed here, lo que hay, that which is. Lo que I translated in my head usually to that which, because it fits. We don't use this structure a lot in English. It's more natural in Spanish. You get the hang of it like lo que dijo, that which he said. Lo que había, that which was. Other examples in the future tense could be lo que habrá. This is the future third person form of this verb, the he, she, it form. In the future, that which will be, it's definite. Now, when you want to express an idea, that which could be, you say lo que habría, that which might be, that which could be. In the past continuous, lo que había. In the past one time, like you went and checked on something, one time it's the past definite, it's no hubo, but that's not very often used. That literally would be translated, there was none, there were none. Well, thank you very much. I hope you learned a little bit about how to use this verb haber, which can really amplify your Spanish when you get control of it. Thank you very much. Have a good day.